Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Qwen AI locally on PC. Firstly, since Qwen AI doesn't have an official Windows application, you can install it as a progressive web app using a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Here are the steps. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Visit the Qwen AI website. You can enter the official URL in the address bar to find it or search on Google. Sign up or log in to your account on Qwen AI. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Navigate to the Cast, Save and Share button, then click Install Page as App. A pop-up window will appear, just click Install. Qwen AI will now be installed as an app and appear in your Start menu. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.